see fishing down there. Might have to go after my bait.
Oh, did you get that mount situation?
Yeah.
What'd you end up doing?
We ended up bringing over one.
The older style or the?
The one that I didn't like, he didn't have the rubber piece underneath, so if it slides, so I'm like, dude, this stuff.
Yeah. Just well.
Need a big old frog. It's 7'6".
Oh, oh.
Yeah. There he is. I can't get him. He's back here hogging all the fish, everybody.
I'm learning from watching you. Wow, he was a hungry bastard. Got it through the freaking face. Wow, sorry, buddy. I'll get it out. Don't worry. I don't want to hurt you. There it is. All right, then. See ya.
Fell off.
Got him on the boat.
There you go. On the head, you got him on the boat. Go to pull my thing out of the water and he grabbed it. Not even real. Alright, fell out.
Yeah.
Fell off. Wasn't coming off either, you know. Weird. How I lose less bigger fish than I do small fish.
That fish?
Yeah.
They've all been flukes today.
That's the healthiest one we've had today.
That's a rock there. Shallow rock too.
Not out there too far. Yeah. Why did you whip him like that? He just whipped him.
Oh.
Fish out here in a while in the morning, you know what I mean? Probably different in the morning.
Not from the bank. Morning, evening, I get a couple and that's about it. The panfish have been hitting lately.
Yeah, they're done spawning.
We're getting some weird, colorful, cool colors.
Bright orange and shit.
Orange ones, the blue ones,
Yeah.
like turquoise color. And then, of course, the regular old bluegill looking boring one. They're like a freaking chihuahua, man. They go after it. They're like, nom, 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 nom.
Yeah, they're nasty.
And then you get it, and you're like, oh, hi. Get off my hook, please. Guess they're popular for catfish bait.
Yep.
Ooh, I see my next target. Oh, yeah, buddy. I was going to shut my mouth. But I wasn't going to say shit.
Can I get this little guy?
I was ready to jump in after him.
Oh, look at that. I got my first fish in the boat. Oh, man, he don't. Oh, I pulled his eye out. Pulled his eyeball out. Look at it.
Six sticks, guys.
One-eyed Willie. I'm on YouTube.
Oh, she fancies herself a singer. She hits all the karaoke spots and posts all of her videos on frickin'.
Oh, God.
Yeah, I know.
All about herself.
I already can't stand her.
All about herself.
But I'm not looking for Miss Right.
No. But still, you're all about herself.
Oh, goodness, yes, absolutely.
That's just too much.
But the good thing about chicks like that is they're a lot easier to deal with. You just have to ignore them.
Yeah, but they're always looking for attention. That's
Right.
the thing. So
But
if you're not paying enough attention, they're going to go elsewhere. That's the problem.
it would be if I cared.
True.
But it makes it easy for me to be me because I'll be like, I'll call her back tomorrow. I'll text her back tomorrow. And like, yeah, sorry, I got busy yesterday. She's like, oh, it's okay. How's everything? You know, can you meet up for lunch? No, can't. But maybe tomorrow or something. I don't know.
Does she not work or something?
Yeah, she owns a some kind of cleaning company that cleans apartments and condos.
Yeah.
Or office buildings and apartments, like fleet stuff.
Yeah. This is horrendous here, folks.
Pardon?
This is horrendous here, folks.
It's a little bit slow.
Very slow.
Hey, we've had worse.
Oh, mine is grass.
Yeah, I'm in grass. Felt great though. Oh,
Weird.
feels like 1,000 fish are biting me. There you go.
Get him in here. Wormberg. Oh, dude, he's in his chompers. I guess he wanted it. Man. Dang, little guy. Dude, I think he hit me like 5 or 6 times and I thought I was on a rock. I just kept reeling.
I think
And
I
then all of
can.
a sudden, I think he was coming at me, and then he finally turned. And then that's when I felt that it wasn't a rock.
Yeah, I'm tapping a million rocks right here. Oh no. Uh-oh.
Yep, that's what I hit there. There, let me see. Take this one. Since you got braid on this one. All right.
Like I said, I didn't set it, so I don't think I'm too bad. The angle.
Oh, it's supposed to be enough vibration that it kicks it out.
Did you hear him? Next time, kick out. I think he considers himself reprimanded.
Okay. Wind feels back down. Exactly where those rocks were.
Oh, is it? That's sweet.
But that's where I caught that fish. I thought I was bouncing on a rock. How about that? Timmy. Oh, got you. Ooh, he unloaded.
Sweet.
That's gotta be. Ooh. That's better, Timmy. That was Timmy Two Toes. Come on, Timmy. Where you at? Just don't come on. Whoa. Timmy. Am I gonna boat flip you and lose you?
Oh, there you go. There you go.
Timmy. There's your uncle. There you go. There's Timmy. And he just went whoosh.
That's the best fish of the day.
Yeah, it is. He's about, I'd say, 1.5 pounds, 2 pounds?
Yeah, I said just shy of 2.
1.5 pounds, 2 pounds? Let's see. Say like 1.8.
Yeah, that sounds about right. Just shy.
1.8? Let's see.
I'm bouncing on these rocks.
That's... Oh, I lie.
Over?
Look at that. 201. 201. I lied, everybody. I said 1.7, but 201. He's a little fatter though than the skinny ones we've been catching.
Good fish. Oh shit, what's going on here? You get out of here. Oh, okay.
No, I'm stuck.
Okay.
Boy, did that scare me, dude. Woo-hoo-hoo. Behind clouds, and now it looks like it's getting darker. They should be showing up. Oh.
Good.
There we go. There you go.
Well, it wasn't good, but it felt good. Alright, slap you.
Got for the camera that one.
Buddy, I got you. I think it's the best one I've got today.
Yep, that's one you got today. Thank you. Kidding me? Came in here to throw a swell.
They're old enough to be ladies, but
you can tell by them screaming.
Yeah, of course.
Nothing on this side. You got grass in yours?
A little bit. I didn't feel it though as I was pulling through. On this cast. That's cool. That's cool. I definitely found grass.
I'm going to Tennessee shad.
Holy shit, did I call it or did I fucking call it?
Just take your time. Take your time. Don't lose that one. Don't lose that one. There you go.
I think I'm gonna get a fish on this cast. It just felt good.
Don't lose that one. Show that one. Good. There you go. That's better one. Another random one. He said, "Give me that." Picking up a lot more randoms now, you know what I mean?
After a while, it's gonna stop being random.
You'd be on fire.
Right?
Be able to reel them in every other cast.
2 per cast.
I wonder if I got grass. It feels heavy reeling it in. One came up over there. Seen you. Right about there. Come on, boy. That's it. There's another one. Uh-oh. We're staring up here, folks. We're staring up. Worst part is, the darker it gets, can't use my GoPro long. Staring up. Bass are getting their juices flowing. We just need to start catching them. Oh! Ooh, that's a nice one. Nicer. What the hell? How do you got him hooked? There you go. No, get him!
I got him. That counts.
hold that one up. There you go. That's the one that I was after.
Oh, I didn't. Oh, you didn't. No. Oh, good. Alright, I got. Shit, maybe I'll just throw something bigger and see what happens. I'll throw those 4 inches. Yeah, why not?
Bigger bait.
Oh, is that what that was? Yeah, alright. I saw something a minute ago. I couldn't quite.
I hurried up and I just ripped my skin off my knee.
Ew.
Sweet. I got a brush burn. Yeah. How'd you do that? Chasing after my rod.
Yeah, I think I'll throw 4 inches, see if we can't pull up.
See if we can pull up with a 4.
Huh?
See if we can pull up with a 4. Do it.
Oh, I'm doing it. to where it surfaced.
First time I've seen one jump tonight. Yeah, should I steal your fish?
Get over there, get it.
Should I steal your thunder?
Get it.
Just kidding.
Really?
Did I just steal your thunder?
Oh, yeah.
That was another nice one.
Yeah.
No, it wasn't. I thought it was at first. He's out there feeding. He's another fat boy. Stole your thunder. That was a little guy, though. That wasn't a big one.
Oh, dude.
Ooh, I just hit my lure. I just wanted to. Oh, dude, I just ripped my whole bait. There you go.
Sorry.
That's the way to do it. You're hitting that bottom so hard. I see your rod snapping.
Yeah. That's where I got the last one.
Should I give it a try? Right out in the middle. Right out in the middle.
Do it.
Where the rocks and the grass. Oh shit. I don't know. Didn't take long to get nothing grass.
You little fishy over there?
Yeah.
Alright.
A better one. A better one. Don't. You didn't.
I threw right where you threw it.
Oh, we got a white bass. No wonder he was. Did you just eat my? No wonder he felt funny when he was rapid fire when he was getting this guy. Got a white bass in here. Oh no! Drop him. Come here, little shit. Don't poke me. Dang it. Over here, boy. Let's see. Are they out there? They're waiting there.
They're probably all hiding. They're pissed off of those weight boats.
Yeah, once they started coming around, those weight boats coming around, they stopped biting.
Yeah. We should ask them to stop.
Oh, there we go. Oh. Skiing in. Oh, I got him! And he landed in the boat this time. Yeah, he didn't fall out.
It looks like my 3-year-old got a hold of the living room camera because I can't see a thing on it.
Maybe I don't know where they're at. Maybe I was just kidding you.
We had 50-50. Oh, don't just throw right back in the rocks and leave.
I just came through.
Yep, I'm in it.
Rock.
Weed so far. Bouncy, bouncy.
Little.
I don't know who I need to inform, but I'm ready to catch a fish.
Do I have a little one?
I said I wanted to catch a fish.
I didn't even know I had one. I'm just reeling and it felt weird.
Oh man,
Yeah.
Today's a farming day.
Yes. He's in the boat though.
Yeah.
He's in the boat, he counts. He's in the boat, he counts. Oh, almost hit him. He's in the boat. Chatterbait time.
I don't know what that song is, but I want to know so that I make sure I never have to hear it again.
Yeah, I think that bite went out.
Lots of root of them.
Yes, sir. I think that bite window had.
That's all right. Besides, I'll get out of here. Besides, you can't be out too late 'cause you got a tournament tomorrow.
Yep. Gotta be there by 4:30.
Oh.
I gotta leave 3:45.
I gotta put this little guy away. And then I'm gonna sit. Oh, and it will feel good.
Nothing. Swarm in the shallows. On soon and head back. Couple more casts. I got a headache. I'm taking Excedrin.
I think I got some with me. I should.
What, Excedrin?
I keep all of them. I keep Excedrin, ibuprofen, Tylenol, aspirin, acetaminophen. Hang on. Yeah, doing my real bag. Oh, come on. Don't tell me I didn't put it in a little bag. Hang on. Give me 1 sec.
Yeah, they're not doing nothing right now.
1 sec. Okay, hang on.
They're done eating.
Huh?
They're done eating.
Yeah, it's all good.
Last cast, and I'm out of
Fuck,
here.
it is in my big bag, man. I always
Last
find
cast.
something I forget. This little bag sure is a lot more convenient. Ah. Sitting down feels pretty good. Is there any way I can help you?
So, watch your foot real quick. This has got to go in here. The light's got to come out of here. I don't want to slam it up too fast. All right, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video. I am heading home. It's getting late. Peace.